Now we will study about how to operate a DSO. This is a DSO model number SDS1052DL made by Siglent. This DSO has two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. It means we can feed two signals at a time. The main function of this DSO is to visualize or to display any kind of signal. So let us see how this DSO is used for measuring voltage and frequency. First of all, switch on this instrument and wait for some time. This DSO has large LCD display and various control buttons. There are two lines, yellow and pink. Yellow is for channel 1 and pink is for channel 2. And this section is for vertical scale, for adjustment of vertical division, like change the scale and on or off channel 1, moving signal up and down. These all parameters are related to channel 1. Next, these parameters are for channel 2. Scale, on or off button, position up or down, and this section is horizontal. This knob is used for change the scale along x-axis, horizontal, and this knob is used for moving signal left or right. Now there are many advanced functions, advanced measurement of this DSO, but we can only measure voltage and frequency. For this, connect a source to the input of this DSO. This probe BNC cable is connected to a function generator. Connect this probe to channel 1. After that, press auto button and wait for some time. The DSO automatically displays the wave shape of this signal. This is a sine wave, amplitude 980 millivolt peak to peak, and frequency 100 Hz, time period 10 milliseconds. Now we can also measure some other parameters related to voltage and time. For this, press measure button, this button, measure. After that, press the correspondence button to voltage, channel 1. From here we can select any type of voltage, like V peak to peak, V max, V minimum, V amplitude, V top, V base, V average, V RMS. If we want to measure V max, select and add from this button. V max is displayed on screen. Simply, if we want to measure V minimum, select V minimum and then add from this button. V minimum is displayed on screen. And so if we want to measure time, frequency, positive width, negative width, rise time, fall time of square wave, then this button is used. We want to measure only frequency, select frequency, after that add frequency is display. It is very easy to operate this. It is very easy to operate this DSO. Now we measure only some basic parameters, like if we want to connect other channel to channel 2, other signal to channel 2, then connect a second BNC cable to other channel of function generator. After that press auto scale, auto button, wait for some time. The frequency of this signal is too high. For this, measure this frequency. And this run stop button is used for stop this signal for any measurement. After that press again this button, press auto, wait for some time. These two signals are of various frequency and various voltage. This is very easy to operate this instrument. If we want to measure voltage for both channels, select channel 2 and after that select type, then add volt peak to peak. Or if we want to clear or remove any parameter, then clear measurement. Or if we want to measure all media, then press all measurement. For channel 1, voltage, these are all measurement of channel 1 and all measurement of channel 1 for time or time scale. Same, we can select channel 2, all measurement, voltage as well as time. Return button, clear all measurement, press off, switch on off this menu.